I have this towel with a hole. And instead of tossing it, I'm using my scraps and giving this a second life. Now I'm going through my scraps, and I have this piece of blue fabric, and it's actually a rayon, cotton rayon fabric. It's a little stretchy, but that's okay. I want the contrast here. Perfect. That's exactly what I'm gonna use, and I have 2 pieces of the triangle. I am going to put all the scraps back to the bag because I am training myself to be intentional with how I keep things tidy, because I want to create this habit. Now I'm cutting the piece just to make sure there's enough space, because there's a hole and I need to make sure that the piece, the patch, is bigger than the hole. Now I'm taking it to the sewing machine. I am sewing 2 pieces of fabric. Simple, nothing to think about. Just here that I'm using a little bit more time to decide where I would stitch the triangle. And sometimes that happens because you can spend a little bit more time doing that. And this is a great opportunity for you to assess your emotions while you're sewing. At this point, I'm not even ironing these pieces. I'm just making sure that I trim them. And then the other one here. Now let's place it on top of the hole, and I'm just adding some glue to the towel so the patch stays in place. Looking good. Now I'm taking it to the sewing machine, and we are going to sew around it with a zigzag stitch. You choose the length and width that you prefer. I am going to have 2 passes, so I'm going to sew on top of it, so I am okay with just using a regular zigzag stitch for this first pass. And here I'm removing a little bit of the thread that got stuck in the middle of the zigzag stitch. Now I'm going to the other side. Again for the second pass. And making sure that those threads that are loose, the loose ends, are in place. The second time I'm zigzagging, I am just making it a little narrower so the patch doesn't fray as much. Here I am enclosing those loose ends in the middle of the zigzag stitch. A little bit of the zoom for you guys. Now I'm trimming the excess. There's a lot of stitches in there. I don't think they're gonna come undone, and if they do, you can always sew them again. This is a great opportunity to assess your emotions again, how sewing it again makes you feel. I'd love to know. Drop it in the comments. Here we have it, this new stylish kitchen towel ready to be reused.